Once upon a time, there was a marine biologist named Dr. Sneeze, who was evil to the core. He had always despised the chefs, who cooked and served his marine creatures in the seafood restaurants. Dr. Sneeze would often ponder over a solution to this problem, but couldn't come up with anything. One day, while experimenting with his latest genetic modifications, Dr. Sneeze hit upon an incredible idea. As he worked on an orca whale, he thought of transforming it into a lethal robot that could put an end to the seafood restaurants, once and for all. Dr. Sneeze spent months working on his project, and the result was astounding. He had created a monstrous orca robot with gravity powers, which he named Kelly. His next step was to set Kelly free and give it a task of stopping seafood restaurants by any means possible. Dr. Sneeze knew that his robot orca was the perfect weapon for this job. He instructed it to target the one chef who had made his life impossible with his culinary abilities, Gordon Ramsay. Dr. Sneeze had always been jealous of Ramsay, who could cook up a storm with seafood recipes that thrilled the taste buds. But now, Dr. Sneeze had a secret weapon that would destroy the seafood restaurant industry by taking Gordon Ramsay out of business. Kelly, the giant orca robot, was sent straight to Ramsay's house to execute the mission. As Kelly glided past the beach, it caused a massive gravitational pull, causing the water molecules to ripple and rise. Soon, the robot whale was towering above Ramsay's house. Ramsay was in his kitchen sharpening his knives when he heard the thunderous roar of the orca's thrusters. He rushed outside to see the massive robot hovering above his house. The whale opened its jaws, and Ramsay realized that this wasn't an ordinary sea creature. He watched in horror as the orca's gravity powers began to suck everything in its radius, including his prized seafood ingredients. Ramsay knew that he had to stop this monster, or risk losing his livelihood. Just as Ramsay was about to make his move, Dr. Sneeze appeared out of nowhere. He locked Ramsay up in a cage, and watched as Kelly sucked in everything Ramsay had in his kitchen. Ramsay's dreams of serving the best seafood dishes were reduced to dust in seconds. With the job done, Dr. Sneeze and Kelly returned to their underwater lair, satisfied with their achievement. Meanwhile, Ramsay was left pondering over his fate, and whether he would ever overcome this massive chef hurdle. As for Dr. Sneeze, he continued to work on his evil plans, hoping to rid the world of seafood forever.